Hello and welcome to this video learning series of AutoCAD. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert or plot an AutoCAD drawing into a PDF and at the same time also into an image. Now, open this AutoCAD file. Now, to convert this image or this file into a PDF or an image, first of all, you can go to the output tab here and then click on plot, which will open a plot dialog box for you to work with. Or you can also type in Ctrl P, that's the shortcut for the plot or the print. So after the dialog box has opened, you will select your plotter. So let's say if you want to plot it to PDF, you can pick AutoCAD PDF, any of them, or you can pick Microsoft Print to PDF. You can also pick DWG to PDF. So I'll pick DWG to PDF, and after that you select your sheet size. Select your sheet size. So you have A4. So I'll pick landscape, and also I'll center it to plot, and then click on OK. Then you give it a name, then you save it. So we've converted one AutoCAD drawing file into a PDF. Now we're going to convert the same drawing also into an image. So press Ctrl P to open the dialog box, and then I'll select publish to web JPG or publish to web PNG. Any of them will convert it to an image. So after selecting your publish to web, or after selecting your plotter, and you can center your drawing if you wish or if you want, and just click OK. And then save. So after you've plot or you've done everything, it will give you a notification that it is done on the lower corner here. So you go to where you saved your file, and then you open it. So this is it. It's an image. So we have the PDF and the image file. So this is how you can convert or plot a PDF file, an AutoCAD file into a PDF format. Thank you.